Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. Oh, here it is. And I gotta be honest with you, this box does not look good. Like, I don't know how well you can see it, but the label is ripped off in some places. It looks like it has water damage. Can you see? Wait, I'll show you without showing my dress. Do you see this? Very weird. But I know that the inside is what matters and not the outside. However, do you hear this? Oh god, I hope it's good. I hope nothing broke. Let's open up. Oh, by the way, this is the November box. Okay, well, the box is intact, I would say. Let me see. I think it's just the out box, which is good. So, the box is dark blue. I don't think there's much filling in. Ooh, there's a leaflet. Ha, let's go. In the darkness, be the light. There is no leaflet. Ah, okay. Scan the QR code below to access your edition of the edit. Okay. Good, because you've seen me struggle with finding this online. So there's a QR code now on the back. That makes it easy to find. Good. Okay, so let's open it up. Then as you can see nothing. Oh. Yeah, I love how everything is not on the filling material. A moisturizing foot mask. Oh, nice. Okay, so let me scan this. The first thing we have. Ooh. Okay, so you get 1 out of 3 products. You can either get the Molten Brown shower gel, which I would have preferred. Let me tell you that. NCLA cuticle oil, which I got, or you got the Grow Gorgeous serum. NCLA treatments so rich vitamin E infused cuticle oil, and it has some, I don't know how well you can say, but some glitter stars in there. Whoa. Whoa, that smells like vanilla or something. Like, it smells really good. So I feel like for someone who's not really caring that much about her nails, like I said, I would have preferred the shower gel because I love the shower gel. It smells so good. Blended with vitamin E extract and infused with the deliciously sweet birthday cake scent, this cuticle oil by NCLA is your saver for dry, cracked skin around the necks and fingertips. I will definitely try it out. I don't really see the point in having those glitter stars in here, but I will try it out, especially because in winter my hands are so dry. My hands are very dry, so it's cute, but I would have preferred the shower gel, to be honest. Okay, then we have this here, the Balsamic BAH Exfoliating Concentrate. Our salicylic acid-rich, wow, that's rough. A concentrate is a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, and more youthful looking complexion. Oh. Directions: apply to a beauty pad, gently wipe over a cleansed dry skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. No rinsing required. I hope, like, no, with chemical peels, you immediately have that image in your brain that your whole skin just peels off. I hope it's gentle. They say it's gentle, so I hope it is. Wow. Very citrus-y. Definitely try it out. I hope I don't have too much of a intense reaction. This fast-acting leave-on chemical formula is ideal for reducing the appearance of blemishes and leaving your skin smoother and more youthful looking. There is a peppermint and mineral oil in, so if you're allergic to that, it's not for you. Then next up we have this. Ooh, I'm actually kind of excited for this. The Le Mini Macaron Moisturizing Foot Mask with lavender oil. Oh yes, made in Korea. Let's see if I have improved my Korean. There's no Korean on here. What the hell? I can't, I'm at the point where I can read Hangul, but I don't know the words, obviously. You know, I can read a word, but I don't know the meaning of it. I don't know what it means. Why am I telling you this? I don't know. Enjoy a little self-care at home with this moisturizing foot mask. Lavender scented and enriched with different leaf extracts. Your tired, dry feet will feel relaxed, refreshed, and deeply hydrated. So you put them on, leave them on for 15 minutes, and then take them off. 2 socks inside, so they are probably dry on the outside. I hope they're dry on the outside. Oh, super excited for this. I still have so many face masks and eye patches and whatever to do in my drawer here, so I should get to that someday, not today. Indulge in a little self-care for your feet with this nourishing foot mask infused with lavender extract. It has lavender oil and witch hazel leaf extract. Insert clean feet into the foot mask, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the serum to deeply nourish and cleanse your skin. Remove and massage remaining essence into your skin. Fun fact about me, I am very sensitive on my feet. Like, I could never get a foot massage, so I don't know how well that will work. But I will definitely try that. Not on video, because there are a lot of weird people on this app, but I will try it out. The Pear Ageless Throat and Decolletage Cream. Oh, yes. Oh, that smells really good. Kind of reminds me of my grandma, which is not a bad thing, because my grandma was someone, she never really wore perfume, unless it was for special occasions, you know, like Christmas, birthdays, New Year's Eve. But what she always wore was face cream. And whenever you hugged her or you were close to her, you had that very subtle smell of face cream. And this is what it smells like. Not too intense, fresh, just good. So I will definitely try that one out. Yeah, like it has absolutely no explanation apart from that is a throat and decolletage cream. Designed to target anti-aging, this formula is enriched with a blend of mulberry and grapeseed extracts. The mixture helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It has shea butter and grapeseed oil, and you can use it morning and evening. Yeah, super excited. It is a very small liner. Diego Dalla Palma, water resistant eyebrow pencil. Oh, it's eyebrow. I would say it's brown. I can't really tell. I'm a little colorblind. But yeah, it is dark brown, which is not for me. Should try it out. This might still be for me. I mean, obviously, I'm applying it very roughly right now, but this might be for me. Okay. You know how happy I am that I have a translucent phone case? Oh, so nice. Now imagine if this was applied nicely and blended in nicely, and you know what I mean. I didn't think this would work, but look at me. I haven't worn anything on my eyebrows in such a long time because I simply didn't have a product. And to me, my eyebrows are not that important that I would go out and buy an eyebrow tint or an eyebrow gel or, you know, a pencil like this. But I'm happy to have it. And I didn't think it would match. But here we are. Like, I'm celebrating this. This is nice. Easily enhance your arches with the Tool's extra fine tip that gives you both precision and natural coverage when filling, defining, and shaping. The creamy formula boasts an incredible blendable finish. I mean, the thing is, with the extra fine tip, you use this once and then the extra fine tip is gone. But if you're like me and you just fill them in and then brush them out, you know, it does the job. Okay, and then last but not least, Comfort Zone Reunited Cream. Like a night cream. They know me. They know I only have one use left from my night cream. And I have this face cream with goji berry, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and macadamia oil for an intensive nighttime antioxidant action. The skin appears regenerated and nourished. Working to soothe and hydrate your complexion whilst you sleep, this cream replenishes your skin moisture, leaving it feeling refreshed and more plump. It has goji berry oil and hydrolyzed tomato extract. That was it. That's everything that's in the box. I still have a review portion that I have to do. Honestly, I'm not that excited. I like the foot cream and I like the decolletage cream, but the foot mask. But the rest, I don't know. Shea butter, what it is and what it does. Filorga, you know, like a brand focused on Filorga. All of the Lights is the theme for this month's box. Beauty trends for autumn and winter. A month full of mindfulness. Go outdoors, sleep, Netflix, skincare, and love. And what's coming up is a Black Friday box, which I probably won't buy. Okay, that's it. I don't know. Like I'm not really feeling this. But let me get to the review portion. Okay, so I once again have 5 things here that I want to talk about. Just very quickly, I found this in my collection. This is a hammam glove that I got in a LookFantastic box. I don't know when. It's been a long time. And yeah, look at the quality of this. And you're supposed to wrap it around and then put this in here and then have a knot. I never used this. I actually did use it for a while when I first got it, but it's just not. Like, I already use like a normal exfoliator that I have, then use this. Because it's also, like, the quality is not good. Look at this. So that is going. Another thing that is going that I also got a while ago is this hair on. Okay, I hope you don't mind the hair. The glove Tangle teaser. This is such hard plastic, it hurts your scalp. I love the fact that you have different sized bristles in here, and it really does get all the knots out. It's so hot on your scalp. I know that you should massage your scalp, whatever, but this is not it. This is so painful, and I'd rather use another brush. So this is also gone. Then this, you have actually seen me try out on video. I will link that video here. The Rose Infused Sheet Mask. I love it. I actually used it twice. Remember my tip that I gave you? Put the mask back inside and then reuse it. I will love it. It really cooled down my face. Can you see him? I don't know. Anyways, it really cooled down my face, and if you remember, I had those huge breakouts, which I still do. I don't know what it is exactly. It helped a little, you know, it calmed them down. They were not as inflamed as they were before. So I will enjoy this. This I would purchase. This, I don't know if I would purchase this. This is the Dr. Botanicals Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. Now, it did cool down my under eye area. I agree. But do I really need this? Like, for me, it was such, I don't want to say it was a pain to use, but it was just an extra step in my skincare routine that I didn't need. Because I have a face serum, obviously under eyes, and your normal face, the rest of your face is different. But I didn't really see a difference with this. I have another serum that I'm currently using, and I actually can see some difference. So I would not repurchase this one. This is my repurchase though. This is the Christopher Robin, oh my god, English, Regenerating Mask with Rare Prickly Pear Seed Oil. That was a lot. And the way I applied it, I don't know if that's how you should apply it or not. And it says, apply a small amount after shampooing, massage from scalp to ends, add water, emulsify, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. I did not use a small amount. I used a lot because my hair is very dry. Yeah, I put it on. I had my hair wet, and then I put it on, and then I massaged it in while adding some water. Like, I did that simultaneously, if that makes sense. Then I left it on for a while and washed it off, and my hair was super soft. The smell is okay. It's not my favorite smell. It smells like baby powder. Which, I mean, if you like it, that's good for you. It's not really my favorite. But the smell doesn't last on your hair, so that is also very good. I would definitely purchase this. It's expensive as hell, but I would definitely repurchase this one. When my hair's super soft, give it a bit of life back. Like, I will never forget that one comment that I got on a video where I said my hair is rather lifeless, and then one stupid someone said, but your hair is lifeless anyways, it doesn't have life on its own. Like, I know that, that's not what I meant. I meant some shine and volume and just good looking healthy hair. That's what I meant. You know what I mean? It made my hair look alive. Anyways, that was it. That was the box. That was the review. I'm not that happy with the box. Like, it's okay, but I'm not that excited about it. So maybe next month will be better. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and see you in the next one.